Are you looking for a reliable way to convert Outlook MSG files into EML format without losing important data? Welcome to WholeClear MSG to EML Converter offers a professional and efficient solution designed to simplify the entire process. Are you managing large volumes of MSG files? The tool enables seamless batch conversion, allowing you to convert multiple files at once while maintaining accuracy and speed. Key features of the tool for bulk MSG to EML conversion. Compatible with multiple applications. Supports batch conversion of MSG files to EML. Maintains all MSG file properties and metadata. Works independently without requiring Outlook. Step-by-step guide to export MSG files to EML. Step 1. Download and launch the WholeClear MSG to EML Converter. Step 2. Choose MSG as the source file format. Step 3. Select either file or folder mode, then add your MSG files. Step 4. Pick EML as the output format. Step 5. Click Browse and select a destination location to save the EML files. Step 6. Click Convert Now to start the conversion process. Using this tool, users can open converted EML files in email clients like Windows Live Mail, Thunderbird, Outlook Express, and others without needing Outlook installed. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.